Oh, okay. I see pictures. Okay, over here. God made animals. God made the fish. And God made the birds that fly in the sky. Then God made the farm animals, baby. The cow says,
moo.
Very good. And the dog says,
Woof, woof.
Very good. What about the cat? Well, meow. And what about the ducks?
Quack, quack.
Oh, very good. Mahinhin kayo imong duck, baby, no? And what about the chicken?
Lauk.
One more time.
Lauk.
Very clever. And what about, baby, the frogs?
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Oh my God, you know you're very clever. And what about the lion? Oh my God, very frightened si Mama for the lion. And what about the monkeys? God also made the monkeys. How does the monkey sound? Oy, tutulao ang monkey? You're very good. High five. High five. Very good. Oh, and so God made all the animals. All things, right? Oh. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful world and the sun and the blue, blue skies. For the birds and the fishes and the flowers and the trees and the cute little butterflies. Yay! High five then, Mom.
Again.
Are you happy?
Again.
You say thank you to Papa God.
Bridge.
It's not like that. You say thank you to Papa God first for
Thank
all
you,
the animals.
Thank you,
Ang
Papa.
hands when you pray to Papa God. Like that man ang hands. Say thank you to Papa God.
Thank you, Papa God.
Say good night, everybody. Say good night. Here.
Good night.